Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roxanne, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing something with you guys that I've been wanting for such a long time. It's my Nespresso machine. But before I get started and show you guys the unboxing, I would like to thank all of my subscribers that have subscribed to my channel. I thank each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much. I've been seeing so much love for my previous video, and I'll link it down below if you guys haven't checked it out. Check that one out. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and showing me so much support. So thank you so much. So today I'm gonna share with you guys my Nespresso machine. I've been wanting this since Christmas. My son actually bought it for me. He's like, Mom, what do you want for Christmas? I know you've been wanting a coffee machine. I'll buy it for you. So yeah, I told him I wanted the Nespresso. We've been looking for months. And I know that these are really pricey, so I didn't really want to buy it right away. We looked on Macy's.com, BestBuy.com. We looked at Bloomingdale's, Williams-Sonoma, Bed Bath & Beyond, Best Buy, you name it. We looked everywhere and we couldn't find it. So my husband is actually the one that found the machine. He called Nespresso directly and they told him that QVC is having a sale for $149.99, and it comes with a lot of good stuff. It came with a gift certificate for I think $33. So that's what this is here. It comes with these type of coffees. It comes with the Intenso these down here. It comes with the caramel cookie, biscuit caramel. It comes with Intenso and I believe Vertuo. I'm not too familiar, so if I'm mispronouncing this, you guys bear with me. So it comes with all these three. And then yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna start opening it. So I originally wanted the flat black, the matte flat black, but they didn't have it, so I settled for the piano black, which is fine because it's still beautiful. So yeah, let me open it up so you guys can see what's inside. And then it also comes with some more capsules. I'm not sure how many is in here, but let's open it up and, 11 capsules. So it comes with 11 capsules and 1 decaffeinated. Oh, cool. Let's go ahead and open it. I'll show you guys exactly what's in here. And yeah, I'm so excited, you guys. I've been wanting this for a while now. There's so many to choose from, and I had to watch hundreds of YouTube videos because there's so much to know about these machines, and I just wanted to make sure that I was buying the right one. I didn't want to just like, you know, buy whatever. I wanted to make sure that I knew how to work it and it's something that fits my lifestyle and that I was gonna love. So look at how beautiful this is. This is so cute. Look, I don't even want to touch it. I don't even want to open it. I just want to keep it right there next to my coffee bar. So yeah, it comes with, looks like 12. No, I'm sorry, I said 11, right? So it comes with 11, and what's really cool about these pods or capsules is that these lines here are actually barcodes. So once you put this in the machine, it reads the barcodes around and it tells you how much coffee you want. So for example, this one is the Vertuo coffee and it's 40 millimeters, about 1.5 ounces of coffee. So that's pretty cool. And then this one's a little bit bigger. This one's the Alto Dulce, and this one's 14 ounces of coffee and it has the barcodes as well. So this one would be like, you know, a taller, like a travel mug. This one's like on the go. Let me just show you guys another one. This is Bianco Forte. Also has the barcodes. These are so beautiful. Like, I want to buy so many things just to add to my coffee bar, but look at how beautiful this is, you guys. You get the espresso, you get double espresso, a gran lungo coffee mug size alto, and so many different types of coffees that you guys can make, like barista creations, Costa Rica, Ethiopia, Mexico, Colombia, so many. The flavors are right here actually. Hazelino, caramel cookie, vanilla custard. I heard this is a really popular one, the vanilla custard pie, so I can't wait to try that. Okay, so let's go. Moving on. Put that right here. Okay, the machine. Oh, maybe I should show this next. And it comes with, you know, your manual, how to make the coffee, how to clean out the coffee, warranty, your safety first. And if you get a machine, it's also recommended that you guys descale your machine. So you guys have to clean it before using it. Because I've seen some videos of girls who go straight to like making coffee, and you have to make sure that you clean your machine first before putting coffee in there. this out. It's pretty heavy. Be careful when you guys pull it out because it's a really big, heavy machine. Just put this right here. So this is what it looks like. It comes with the water filter, and it's covered in plastic. So I'm assuming this goes here. Okay, and then, I shouldn't mess with that yet because it's not plugged in. And then it comes with the Aerrocino. You guys, I'm so excited about this. I've been wanting a frother for such a long time. So I wanted to make sure that the machine that I bought came with the frother because I know that these are really expensive. They go for like $100. And I wanted to look and be patient and wait for the right price. And luckily my husband found it for $149 with both. These machines by itself, they run up to like $200, and then the Aerrocino is like $99. So you're looking at spending like over $300 for the machine. So yeah, I'm so excited. I think the next video is gonna be, once I get familiar with how to use this machine, I'm gonna do like a top 5 coffee recipes or something, so look out for that. I'll be doing that next. But I have to familiarize myself with the machine and play with it a little bit before I do that for you guys. So there's 3 different modes for this. I know you get to either warm up your milk, you froth your milk, and you also can make cold milk froth for your iced lattes or iced coffees. So that's what that looks like, and how pretty is that? Oh my gosh. I don't even want to use it because it looks so pretty. I just want to leave it like that. And my son doesn't drink coffee, but he's like, Mom, I want to try it. And I'm like, yeah, I'll make you one. He's 18, so, you know, 1 cup of coffee won't hurt. And you just go ahead and put this down here, depending on like the travel mug that you, or the cup that you're gonna have. You either put this up here if you're gonna have like an espresso, or if you're gonna have like, you know, regular coffee, you put it way down here. All right guys, that's it for today's video. This is everything that came in this box behind me. You have your capsules, you have your manuals, your warranties, your extra coffee, your voucher, your frother, and your machine. I am so excited. I can't wait to make my first coffee. Tune in for the next video. I'm gonna be doing like a 5 recipe, like my favorite top 5, after I get familiarized with this. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. And for those who subscribe, thank you so much. Comment down below if you guys have one of these, which one you guys like, and what's your favorite coffee. So yeah, comment down below. I appreciate you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.